English is very important language. We need English to communicate with others and do a high class job. And also when we went abroad, we definitely need English. These are the basic things we all know. But today I am going to speak about my personal experience. When I am in grade 7, we went a trip to Kandy with school friends, and we worshipped Temple of the Tooth. And after we worshipped Temple of the Tooth, we met foreigners. We had a chance to talk with them, but I don't know English. I think English is very disgusting language according to me. But my friend Amanda is very fluent in English. She always talk with English and she troubled to me learn English, but I didn't think so. In that day, the foreigners asked so many questions, but I can't answer for them because I don't know English. So I can only explain myself. But Amanda answered it, talk with that foreigners, a bit shy and sad for me because we need English to communicate with others. So I think to learn English. So I asked my mother to please send me a English class. So my mother bring me to a English class and I learn English. And also my own, I learn English by listening English songs with lyrics and movies with subtitles and listening to motivation speeches and practicing vocabulary words. And after my O-level, I follow a English course, spoken course, and after the A-level also I follow the English course at Sakya. It is good opportunity to me to learn English. First we learn English, we will love to that language. If we doesn't love that language, we can't learn never. I love English and do my best in English. So in the future, I can speak well English and also I can understand the foreigners what are they saying. So I request you all, please learn English. Don't think it is not a rocket science. It is very easy language. Learn it very funny and please learn English. Thank you so much to listen me so far.